You got the vapor kit here again. Yesterday I put 2 videos on about this lawnmower going through some deep grass. And in that video, before I started, I told that I made a modification right here, that it was hot air going into the tank. But what I forgot to do was explain how I made it. And everybody got the wrong idea that I was pumping exhaust fumes into the tank, which wasn't the case. So I'm going to show you exactly what this thing is. I am not taking exhaust and pumping it into the tank. What I've done here, right here is a muffler and the pipe going into the block. Right here, it's a 1-inch T, and this is a 1/2 inch. So I got a 1/2 inch circle inside. And what it's doing is that without the muffler, it's just sucking cold air coming into across the filters. So what I'm doing here, this thing gets up to about 350 degrees, throwing off heat. And while it's running, it gets good and hot, and right around here I got a gap, maybe like that on both sides. It's drawing air through it, and it's picking up the hot heat being thrown off that pipe. Then it's coming in here and blowing through that vapor, blowing through the wick. And as you've seen in the video earlier, the thing stalled out a couple times. What it was is right down here, when it got on an angle, the gas flooded into the pipe and it sucked it up and it flooded it out. So what I did there is I just came off with it 90, brought it all the way up right about to the top of the lid. That way the gas won't be able to flood it. That's all I did. But with drawing the hot air through it, that's going to make it run a lot more efficient than sucking cold air. Because when the air is going through this thing, it gets ice cold. And it can turn the vapor, maybe condense it back into tiny droplets. I don't know. That's my theory. But with this hot air going through it, that takes care of that problem. And as you've seen in that video, I've got power you would not believe on this. So I just wanted to make a short video and explain what that T was. It's just hot air, not exhaust. Vapor Kid, talk to you later.